Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable VidIQ for affiliate channel growth, complete guide step by step clearly. Go to the VidIQ website. Click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a password. Confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log into your VidIQ account. Choose the appropriate plan for your needs. Install the VidIQ browser extension. Open the Chrome Web Store to find the VidIQ extension. Click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once installed, you will see the VidIQ icon in your browser. Open YouTube and sign in to your channel. Click on the VidIQ icon in your browser. Select the option to connect VidIQ to your YouTube channel. Grant the necessary permissions for VidIQ to access. Navigate to the VidIQ dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the analytics and features available. Use the keyword research tool to find profitable affiliate keywords. Enter potential keywords related to your niche. Analyze the score and competition level for each keyword. Select high-scoring keywords to target in your content. Utilize the VidIQ title and description suggestions for your videos. Craft compelling titles incorporating your selected keywords. Write SEO-friendly descriptions that include relevant links. Create engaging thumbnails using VidIQ's insights on what works. Schedule and publish your videos consistently. Monitor video performance through VidIQ Analytics. Adjust your strategy based on the data you gather over time. Take advantage of VidIQ's trend alerts to stay updated on industry changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.